Please subscribe to Million's Perception and hit the bell icon for the latest video.
In this video, I'm going to give you a review of MI Notebook 14-inch middle version laptop which has an 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD. So hey guys, what's up? My name is Milind and you're watching my YouTube channel Million's Perception. So without wasting any further time, let's get started.
First, I'm going to tell you about the physical overview of this laptop. You can see that this laptop is in the silver color, and actually it is an aluminum body, and the body is also good. And here you can see that MacBook Air or MacBook Pro like finishing is here. It looks like that, and the body is also very good, very nice body is there. So you can see at the left side of the laptop, you can see the charging port here. HDMI port is here, and two USB type 2 ports are here. You can see at the back there is nothing. You can see the tilt, maybe it is made by the plastic, it is not aluminum, I think so. And at this side, actually this is the one USB type 2 I have attached is my that mouse here. So therefore this is the, I just want to put it aside, and here is the headphone jack, 3.5 headphone jack. And that at the back side you can see the laptop, there is nothing, the air vents are there, and here we can see that the speakers here is one speaker and here is a one speaker. So guys, let's me boot it, and you can see that the booting processor is a very fast. Within a 2 second or 3 second it will start. But before that, I just want to tell you that how look the trackpad here. So trackpad is here, and good quality of trackpad. You can see here aluminum finish is there, and you can see the keyboards, and the keyboards actually you can see that they have already copied very nicely from the MacBook. So the keyboard is very good, haptic feedback is there, and nice keyboard we can say. So let me power it on, and you can see that how much time it takes. Now I am just opening it, and you can see that within a few seconds it is boot up. You can see that, and just press it and you can see the screen. So the screen quality is really very good on this laptop. You can see very bright screen. It is a full HD screen, you can see. So the screen quality is very good, the color shades and color things are very good. I just want to change the background picture, so you can see the differences between color. You can look at here that what kind of a color changing is there. So guys, you can see on my screen that configuration of this laptop. Actually this is the just the second best version of the MI Notebook Non-Horizen variant. And that here is 8 GB of RAM, and it has a 512 GB SSD, and it doesn't come with the graphic card because it is a base version. Okay, it is not included the graphic card. And you can see that the speed, you can see the speed, general speed is very good. I just can open any kind of application. I can open, you can see that the speed of opening the Word file, okay, within the second it opens. Okay, there is no problem. You can also go to the internet. I have not connected my Wi-Fi here, and you can see that again the video editing software like here I am just opening, and you can see that how much speed it get. Okay, the open shot it actually boot up very soon, and therefore the multitasking is good on it. And again I can show you another file, that is the, okay, you can see that the PDF file is also very quickly it opens, and it takes just a few moments to take it opens. And you can see these things. And again I would like to show you that the picture quality of it of this laptop, it has all the basic functions, but it doesn't have the backlit light. Okay, that is the one of the con of this laptop. And actually this laptop is not for gaming purpose. So I would like to tell you that how the screen quality and sound quality of these laptops. So now I just opening the Chrome, and you can see that how quickly it is opening. Just it takes few seconds to open. And if I go to the YouTube, just I have clicked here, and you can see that quickly it comes, because it has a i5 10th generation processor. So it is a good in the quality, and it is a really very nice. So let me play one of the video of Technical Guruji, so you can see the quality of screen quality also, and the sound quality also. So you can see.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल गुरुजी चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। दोस्तों वीवो लेके आ गया है अपने V20 सीरीज में एक नया ब्रांड न्यू स्मार्टफोन, जो कि यहाँ दोस्तों ये हमारे पास में वीवो V20 SE। आज आप इस वीडियो को देखते रहिए और आपसे बात।
So the screen quality is very good, and actually it has a dual speakers, so the speaker quality is also good. It has a very huge sound, just you have seen. And day-to-day operation, day-to-day things like opening the PowerPoint or opening the PDF, or if you want to do some surfing on internet or browsing anything on YouTube, on you are typing your emails and all these things, and that is the very quickly you can see that just I have clicked on YouTube, and you can see that it has just opened, and you can just go on variety of things. So this laptop is very good for day-to-day purposes. And again, this is also very good laptop. I don't think that it is that it perform highly for the video editing or the photo editing, but it do great work in that also. So I'm using, you can see here, the Filmora Wondershare 10. I just want to open it. So what I'm doing here, so I use the Filmora 10 this video editing application, and it works very fine on me. So the basic video editing, okay, and you can also download DaVinci video editing software, that is the free, and it also work very finely, very nicely on this laptop. You can also do some basic, you can see that how quickly within the few moments, a few seconds, the Filmora software has booted up, it has started, and you can easily get all the application, all the things, and you can make your good video editing on Filmora. I have also other kinds of video editing software also. You can also do some photoshops, but friends, this laptop is not for gaming, because it doesn't have any kind of the version which I got, that is not for gaming, because it doesn't have the, I have not brought with the graphic card. Okay, so you can go for the higher version of the Non-Horizen laptop that comes with the M-Media graphic card with 2 GB, and you can play games, but this machine is not for heavy gamers, so you can play soft games on it. And actually it is the middle version of the base version which I have bought without the graphic cards. So this laptop is very quick, very fast, and I really like that i5 10th generation processor is used here. So it is one of the very nicer and very good laptop. I don't find any kind of cons here. The only con which I got it, that it doesn't have the backlit lights. So therefore if the light goes away, then it will be very difficult for us to type or do any work with this laptop. And the trackpad is also very good. It's similar to the you can say it is similar to the your that MacBook Air series or MacBook Pro series. So similar design is also there, they have inspired that. And you can see that the thin bezels here, but at the top you can see that some thick bezels because the Horizon edition has a very light edition. Again, the another con is that even though this laptop have a very thick upper side, you can say, but they have not included the camera in it. So as you know that the Xiaomi is offering the camera separately, so you have a separate camera. Again, the one of my viewers have suggested me to get a review of Hochin cloth with it. So sure, I am going to do that review video also. So hey guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any kind of queries regarding the MI notebook non-Horizen edition, so you can put in my comment section, so I will definitely make another video on your comments. And please like this video and please share to your friends. So thank you for watching.